A warning to viewers as some of the images in this next story are disturbing. There's some nightmarish video coming in from a mudslide on the China-Nepal border. Have a look at the CCTV footage at a border crossing. People are trying to flee the area, but the entire area is engulfed.
8-10 ट्रक बगाएको घर बगाएको मान्छे बगाएको मैले देखेँ हृदय विदारक घटनाहरू माथिबाट पनि ट्रकहरू बगाएर ल्याएको देखेँ त्यति ठुलो क्षति मैले देखेँ आजसम्म मैले देखेको थिएन 18 वर्ष भयो तर 18 वर्षमा पहिलोचोटि मैले यस्तो घटना देखेँ
According to officials in Nepal, at least 72 people are dead, while over 384 travelers, including 291 foreign nationals, have been reported missing after torrential flooding in the area of the Nepal-Tibet border. That's according to Nepal's tourism board. Over 100 of the missing are believed to be from India.
तर अब सम्झिनेहरू बालबच्चाहरू चाहिँ सकुशलले छन् अब ठुलो सम्झि चाहिँ नि सम्झिन चाहिँ बगाएर लगेको अवस्था छ र ठुलो सम्झि चाहिँ हराइरहेको अवस्था छ खोजी कार्य भइरहेछ
Chinese President Xi Jinping is calling for an all-out search for survivors.